Out of all the tools I've had, it's my first battery operated ratchet. This one came with a couple of 12-volt batteries. Just slide out. Really compact, easy to use, and you can get into some spaces that your drill can't get into, or if you're using your hand ratchets, this gets the job done a little faster. Save you some time. Comes with a small socket set, and it works great. I had a chance to use it on this door, and I was able to get between the door and the frame and had some good torque to it, and those small bolts came right out, and it was over. The door came right off, and I was happy. This got the job done. Diversity 2, the Day Plus battery 12-volt battery operated ratchet is it. I think I need another one.